Hey guys, we are heading to a buddy of mine, Tacoma, Utah, or Tacoma UT. He's new to Utah. Welcome. But yeah, he just hit me up. I was looking for somebody to help with the bed rack system I got from Prinsu, which I am so sorry. Mike, over at Prinsu, if you're watching this, buddy, I am so sorry. I deleted all of the footage from that day. Well, the card got corrupted, and anyway, it happens. So we're just going to be showing you basically how to do the rooftop stuff, just because it's super easy and simple. So easiest part is putting, honestly, the top rack together. So I felt like, hey, I don't really need to record that, so I didn't. But anyway, it's super easy, so you guys should have no problem there. The problem that I think a lot of people have is installing it into your roof. So that's what we're going to show today. Anyway, thanks for sticking around, guys. We'll just roll right into it. So, all right, so we got Tacoma, Utah. He's going to tackle that side. We're just going to remove this weather strip. And it's one in the middle, yep, two on the ends right here.
Correct, yeah.
So, yeah, you can feel.
Yeah.
So we're gonna be poking holes right here. You can feel, see where that hole is. That's where we're gonna be filling in the silicone and eventually tapping in with screws. So you guys can see it. So we just lined it up and drew to the center of the line because we're gonna be drilling. All right, so just going over what we did here. I just cut this lower section here. You can see it's divided from that section that you'll actually see when it's all put up together. I don't know, I'm not technical. Ding me in the comments. But then there's that little metal piece you can see, and what we did is we cut it enough to where we can expose it by bending it, and then we took these little wire cutters or whatever you want to call them, just snipped it. So we're gonna do that for every single one of these. So we're gonna do just a 1/4 inch out here, over there, and as you can see, these are just a little bit apart. This is the center of the hole. These are just like a 1/2 inch away from that. So, okay. Yep, that's it. All right, so now we're removing the wire by cutting this entire section out. Keep in mind, I'm not a handyman at all by anything. I think I just got it. Now we're gonna hopefully not cut. Make sure I'm all the way through. Haha! That's what you need to do for each one of these sections. Or I could be completely wrong and misinterpreting instructions. That is also a thing I could be doing. But we'll see. Okay. Alrighty. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Now we drill the holes. Should be good to go. Alright. So we gotta make these things fit in this by using this. Yep. So here you go. Here's a good example of what not to do. We didn't cut far enough on that, so we're gonna cut that little. We hit the metal and it's chewed up. So yeah, let's go ahead and fix that problem. So this one's an ugly mofo. Where are you at? Where's the focus? But it works, and we're gonna roll with it. Stop that. Look at these ugly holes. That's what she's saying. Stop that. Oh, it's pretty good. I'm gonna fill these up with the spacers. Okay, now we're going to take the silicone and put it over the holes we created earlier. These guys. And we're going to do that. Logan feeding it in. Look at how pretty that is, guys. You can't even tell the holes from here. It's all right. Very meticulously. Logan is a perfectionist. Yeah. Some would say. All right, so we fit the silicone, well, we fit everything on. It's kind of not well fitted in. But we're gonna put the rooftop rack on top, and then we'll see if it settles. So we'll see how it goes. And now it's time to hand put these things in and figure out if we got it right or not. Okay, hey guys, sorry, it's been such a busy week. I actually am shooting this outro, or the conclusion here, like a week after everything's been said and done. So I'm gonna show you some overlay B-roll of the things that I like and don't like about the Prinsu rack. Let's just go ahead and quick rapid fire this. The install, I feel like if Prinsu could include a like replacement liner that is already pre-cut, and everything for the Tacoma and maybe even other popular series, that would be amazing. And if they charged probably around $200 for it, maybe around 150, I think there's some definite profit in there for them. And that would make the installs a ton easier. It'd be totally worth it, just because mine is all janky, and I can show you some of that stuff right here. But yeah, other than that, really, the rack looks great. Everything's great. I'm gonna fix it and make it, clean it up a little bit. And to be honest, you don't really see the top much. So I mean, I could go either way. Like if they charge me an extra $100 to get, the trim, or extra 150, great. If it makes it easier, install easier, fantastic. Or hey, do it yourself, DIY. You screw it up like I do, because I tend to screw a lot of things up. I'm not that craftsmanship. I'm not that. There's a reason why I'm not a surgeon. Let's just say that. But hey, if you can knock it out of the park in your craftsmanship, great. You'll probably do way better than I do. That's just a personal gripe of my faults and stuff like that. But anyway, yeah, other than that, really great. The noise, I didn't get I got the light bar cut out, and I don't have a light bar, so that's contributing a lot to the noise. But other than that, it's minimal. I get up to 80. I only really notice it when I'm up at 80 miles per hour. And even then, it's not too bad. It's not really that bad. So I'm hearing my tires more than I'm hearing that. And these are just 33s. And yeah, other than that, guys, Prinsu, really good. I've had it for about a week and a half now, by the time I'm recording this. So this install, took about 4 hours for us, 3-ish hours or so, 3 to 4. It's great. The rack is solid. I actually used it in the how to shoot rolling photos video. I used it because I was hanging on with one hand and had the camera in the other. And my wife, because she makes a turn in the video. Well, I'm not sure if you see it in the video, but she makes a little bit of a turn, and I grab onto the rack, and yeah. Luckily, I had the rack there. Let's just say that. Be safe when you're doing anything stupid, and try and be smart when you're doing things stupid, I guess I could say. But anyway, guys, other than that, like I said, it's a great purchase. I think they're about $600 to max $800, depending on what trim you get. I did get the wind noise reduction trim as well in there. It's about an extra $15. Definitely worth it. I love them. I love it, to be honest. It looks good. I can't remember who said it. I think it was my wife, actually, who said that it is the biggest change to the truck, but it's also such like a small component, not a small component, but as far as the lift and the tires and everything else is concerned, the expense-wise, it's one of the least expensive things you can do that completely transforms the way your truck looks. I have to agree 100%. The truck looks amazing. I can show you some shots we've gotten lately with it. I love it. Completely transformed the look. Thank you so much, Prinsu. We'll start putting cases up on there. I've got some Heretic lights that are going to be thrown up there on there. We're going to do a SP9100 install here soon as well, and that is going to include this little mount here for the Tacoma. It comes with a coin holder, but we replace that with all the switches, and then we'll get the Heretic lights installed. But anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. Prinsu rack has 2 thumbs up. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I have really to say about it. Not really. It's awesome. Once we started getting cases up on here, it'll be great. It'll be a little bit more noisy, but hey, I'm more for function than comfort, really, when it comes to that stuff. So we're gonna put 2 cases up on here and keep some equipment in there and locked up and tight, just for when we go on trips and stuff like that. It would be nice to have extra storage. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, all the things, guys. I love you so much. We're almost, at the time of this recording, we're almost at 100 subscribers, so that'd be awesome to pass that. And if we are past it, let's get to 200, please. But anyway, guys, take care, and let me know what you want to see as far as Tacoma mods go in the future. My wife and I are buying a house right now, so we can't go too crazy on expenses. But yeah, let me know. I'll keep it in mind, and we'll go from it. So take care, guys, and God bless. Be safe.